your content is getting ignored. But why? The answer isn't in the words. It's in the visuals. Whether you're a small business owner or content creator, mastering visual storytelling can turn views into loyal customers. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how. Visual storytelling is the art of communicating through images, videos, and design. And it's 60,000 times more powerful than text alone. Why? Because people process images almost instantly, while reading takes time. That's why a single image can evoke emotion, build trust, and drive action. MIT study says, the human brain processes images in 13 milliseconds. As per social media stats, posts with visuals generate 650% more engagement than text-only posts. If you're not using visual storytelling, you're losing potential customers every day. Here's why it's essential. 1. Captures attention instantly. People scroll past boring content. A compelling image or video makes them stop. 2. Boosts brand trust. People trust brands with clear, authentic visuals. 3. Increases engagement and sales. Video content increases conversions by 80%. People don't buy products, they buy stories. Make yours unforgettable. Here's how to start using visual storytelling today. 1. Use high-quality, authentic visuals. Avoid generic stock photos. Use real-life images, brand colors, and custom graphics. Content creators. Invest in eye-catching thumbnails and dynamic video intros. 2. Tell a story with emotion. Customers connect with stories, not just products. Share challenges, behind-the-scenes moments, and customer success stories. 3. Keep it simple and consistent. Maintain a cohesive brand style with consistent colors, fonts, and design elements. 4. Leverage video marketing. Short-form videos, Reels, TikToks, Shorts, for quick engagement. Long-form storytelling, YouTube, brand documentaries, for trust building. Choose one visual strategy and start applying it today. Major brands like Nike, Apple, and Coca-Cola don't sell products. They sell stories. But even small businesses can use this strategy. For example, a small bakery in New York increased sales by 40% just by sharing behind-the-scenes baking videos on Instagram. That's the power of visual storytelling. If you're serious about growing your brand, visual storytelling isn't an option. It's a necessity. It builds trust, grabs attention, and drives sales. So, what's the one visual storytelling technique you'll apply today? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Stay tuned for more updates. Brand locally, easy, and affordable.